Traders, just want to give you an update to the Aussie yen. Now yesterday we rushed up and then failed at 90.18 daily resistance, and the question in my mind is, are we forming a double top up there? If we are, we could well see a further decline this month to come down and retest monthly support at 87.01 and the lower level at 86.24. Of course, we need a break below the first one before we can get to the second one. So are we forming a double top up here for a long-term decline? Now, price trading below the low of yesterday will confirm the start of the reversal, but selling so low down doesn't make sense to me. I'd like to be a seller further up within the range of yesterday. So with that in mind, let's drop down to the 50-minute chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 50-minute chart, just trying to fib across yesterday's range, high to low. So we had a very nice intraday drop down, and we are negative at the moment as I'm talking. Now whether or not price will give a rally, a friendly rally back up the range to a higher price, but first of all I'm watching to see if price can come up intraday to the central pivot point. That's at 89.18. Now in a strong downtrend, any intraday rallies are often capped at the central pivot point, so I'm going to see if price can be friendly and rally back up to the central pivot point. And then can I see a setup to sell, to trade down in line with that potential double top. Now if I sense that price may rally even higher, if I start to see a strong move back up the range today, I'll look higher up at the 62 level or the 79% level. But at the moment I'm just focusing on trying to sell at a higher level at discount, and I can put in my stop above yesterday's high, but I don't want to be selling too low down. So can price have an intraday rally back up to the central pivot point 89.18? Does price hold and fail there? Can you see a setup to sell for the next decline in line with that double top pattern for a long-term move down to test those monthly support levels? And finally traders, if you have the time, join me at tonight's webinar. You can register by using the link in the description below.